Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your business with Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your business with Shopify, start by signing up for a Shopify account. Choose a pricing plan that fits your business needs. Customize your store's theme to reflect your brand identity. Use high-quality images and clear product descriptions. Set up essential pages like About Us, Contact, and Policies. Add your products, making sure to include detailed categories. Optimize product SEO with relevant keywords in titles and descriptions. Integrate payment gateways to facilitate seamless transactions. Configure shipping options to meet customer expectations. Install apps from the Shopify App Store to enhance functionality. Utilize email marketing to engage with customers and promote offers. Leverage social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Implement an online advertising strategy through Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Analyze your store's performance using Shopify analytics tools. Adapt your strategies based on customer feedback and sales data. Continuously test and optimize your website for better user experience. Expand your product line based on market trends and customer interest. Consider international shipping to tap into global markets. Explore partnerships or collaborations to widen your reach. Stay informed on e-commerce trends to keep your business competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.